This video is about the DXZ A3 i3200 DTF printer, and it is absolutely worth buying for serious custom printing work. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below. The DXZ A3 i3200 DTF printer is designed for people who want industrial-level performance without the complexity of huge factory machines. At its core is the Epson i3200 industrial-grade printhead, which delivers up to 5 times faster output than standard DTF printers. That means an A3 design can be printed in about 2 minutes, making it a strong choice for print shops, apparel businesses, and anyone handling bulk or repeat orders. Speed is impressive, but what really stands out is the consistency it maintains even during long production runs. Color accuracy is another major highlight. With G7 certified color calibration and a 720 by 1080 DPI resolution, prints come out clean, sharp, and true to what you see on your screen. Gradients look smooth, fine details stay intact, and photographic designs hold their depth. The upgraded white ink system is also a big plus, as continuous stirring, circulation, and purification greatly reduce clogging issues that often frustrate DTF users. The 8-hour auto-cleaning feature keeps the printer ready even if it sits in use for a while. This printer works on almost any fabric, including cotton, polyester, denim, canvas, and nylon, giving you more freedom than DTG or sublimation. The heated vacuum platform helps prevent film movement and ink bleeding, which improves print quality and reduces waste. On the downside, it is a heavy machine and requires proper space and setup, so it's not ideal for very small rooms. Still, considering the complete package included, the performance easily justifies the investment. Check the link in the description below to see the current price and decide if it fits your business needs today.